Bitcoin, huge disappointment. What's going on in the crypto market? You wanna know? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max, with your host for the boss, Rodrigo Arnedo. We are so sad. We lost 100K, we lost 90K, and now we lost $80,000 for just one Bitcoin. This is so sad. We are in a bear market once we surpass 20% drop, and we are right now in the 28 approximately. So crazy and so close to the 30% that we expected as the worst scenario right now that would fill the gap in the $77,000. Hopefully we don't go to fill the one in the 54 or even the one in the 40,000. And the disappointment comes from February, as we said, is usually the best month of the year for Bitcoin, as it is October. October and February, the good months, just 2 times prior in the red in these numbers. And you can see we are going down 20%. Terrible, terrible scenario. If we go to trading view, you can see we have had in the past 3 times a red February, and this is going to be the fourth in the whole story of Bitcoin, with 9 Februaries in the green. We just need a miracle in order to put this into the green in just 24 hours. We might not go today to the green. That would mean $103,000. And not just that, also we are not having this hammer that I wanted, this solid base with the line in the monthly chart in order to believe that we are going higher, but no troubles. I tried to fix it and I almost did. You can see how I corrected the line. We still touch the body of these candles, but still we need to go not to 92,700 but to 81,900. Do you believe this is still possible for today and we still have this optimistic scenario? Maybe. In previous videos I told you about the pattern that we were following, but yeah, how deep, how we need to go before going again up. We'll see about that. Or you believe that we are going south? We told you a lot more about this in yesterday's videos, so if you want to know about what might happen with Bitcoin price, go there and watch it. We told you about the drops of 30% that we might have, and today I draw these lines with this 30% drop, with the fulfillment of the gap CM futures, and you can see also that that would coincide with this stop, as we did bottom to top in the past, bottom to top in the past, not just now, also in 2017, and we always say that we are doing things similar to that moment. Well, when we fall, usually we found support in the previous high, as you can see in all these lines. So yeah, maybe we're going to recover or maybe not, because every time the MACD has a bearish crossover on the weekly chart, historically has seen an average 40% correction, and we just flashed another bearish crossover on the MACD. You can see it here. All these red lines, bad news for Bitcoin. Of course, it was in 2021, this bear market and this huge bear market we had with this cross that we are having right now. So that's not good. But the previous one was not so bad, and the last 2 ones were not so bad. So we'll see about that. If we compare the situation with 2016-17, I don't like it whatsoever, because in 2017 we had none of the sort, and in 2016 we had these 2 moments, but we were talking about 2017, not 2016. We don't want to be back here. Does it mean that we have to wait 1 more year? We don't want to. Do this mean that we are going to fall 60% as we did the last time we went to the double digit, to the $10,000, as we predicted with our worst prediction in the past? Any case, remember that we still have some gaps ahead of us, 91,093 for the optimism, and also that even though we might have had a bad February in 2017, we had a very nice April, May, June, July, and August. Also, the last quarter of the year was amazing. So maybe we are just having a bad time right now, but we are about to explode soon enough. We'll see about it. We'll see about the alt season. Everything is in the red. Sorry if you got liquidated out there. And the thing is that we have very good information today. The SEC declared meme coins are not considered securities. SEC claims meme coins do not involve the offer and sale of securities under federal securities laws. So this means that we are good. We are in the green with all these mostly memes that we have out there. In a regular situation, that would have mean everything in the green, but the market is going down and everything's going down. Even though we have other good informations, like for example this one, the SEC ended investigation into Consensus, parent company of MetaMask. On Monday, we had the good news for Robinhood, Tuesday Uniswap, Wednesday Gemini, Thursday Consensus. What is going to be today? Which case is going to be dropped? Maybe the one with XRP. Again, in a regular market condition, this will mean that we're going to go crazy high. We'll see about that now. And Coinbase, they are just having fun on Twitter. They are greeting everybody because their case also was dismissed officially. And Uniswap, as their case was again dropped, well, they are created a fiat of ramp. And well, that's huge for the DeFi ecosystem. Also, House of Democrats are introducing the Meme Act. This new bill would ban public officials from using or endorsing meme coins. Like Trump, for example. I believe we need this. We need to stop this craziness that you can follow on dextools.io. You have the link in the description below. And Trump is going down maybe to 8. I told you I would buy there, but I bought in 12.30. And I'm going to wait to $2. If it doesn't go to $2, I will not buy more of this meme coin that is going down 15% as we speak. You know you have all the information on dextools.io, partner of the channel. Grok 3 is in the charts today, and we are going to talk about this in our channel, Inteligencia Artificial with Rodrigo Arnedo. So watch it if you want to know the last information. Ethereum going crazy down. I draw this line, so we might stop here in the 48%, 49, 50% down. Ethereum, this is crazy. If you are a holder, you're okay, but if not, you are 50% down. Even the extreme fear is rising as we can be all the time panicking. We are souther in price, but we are better in fear. Remember yesterday videos and what happens when we are in these levels of fear. Watch it right now if you haven't. And mostly the situation is still the same as yesterday, with the stock market in the United States going down, also in China, also in Japan. And dollar is going up, following for Bitcoin the targets that we draw. Everything is because of this guy, from hero to villain. Trump just said that tariffs are going to be on track. March the 4th, we have them on Canada, on Mexico, and in China. And the moment he said that, well, the market dropped. And not just that, also, well, the technological ones were going down. Sam Altman said some bad things about the last ChatGPT 4.5. I tell you everything in AI's video, and that made companies, technological companies, going down. But we might be safe. Why is that? Because Jim Cramer said that you should stay away from MicroStrategy. Remember that he is a counter indicator. So yeah, maybe this is the bottom for MicroStrategy. Thank you, Jim Cramer. And talking about the strategy, Michael Saylor said on Twitter, sell a kidney if you must, but keep buying Bitcoin, keep buying the dip. And he met with the House Financial Service Committee to discuss how we can make the US the global leader in Bitcoin. He's also going to meet some more people on March the 11th. He's an evangelist of Bitcoin, and also is Senator Loomis. She spoke also, and now through to that conference, we know that, again, most of the meme coins are not going to be securities, and that United States doesn't want to be left behind in the race for the crypto world. Bitcoin ETFs saw $2.9 billion outflows in the past 7 days, which is wild. Again, that's mostly why we are going down. And Kyle believe it's not just Donald Trump creating food, it's not just those ETFs selling. The thing is that most of these ETFs, they are doing arbitrage, and as they had a premium for Bitcoin, they were buying. But now it's not that they don't want the ETFs, but they are experts creating arbitrage situation. So right now they are selling because they don't have the opportunity. They are going to wait till that opportunity comes back again. And that's why 74% of Bitcoin losses came from holders who bought in the last month. Again, if you can wait, I believe you'll be okay. If you can wait 1 year, maybe you're safe. If not, maybe you have the lesson of selling in losses. Consider, any case, the good news that we tell you every day in all the shows, like how many states in the United States are close to having laws so they can have a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Also, Standard Chartered Geo Kendricks predicted that Bitcoin could hit 500,000 before President Trump leave office, even though we're having this bad situation in the market. And what about this guy? He knows what to do. This guy has been buying $30 worth of Bitcoin daily for the last 8 years, turning $86,000 into 1 million. That's a legend. That's what I recommend myself to do. And I told you like 7 years ago. Bitcoin Magazine told us, again, this meme, what people think is like to hold, which is a straight line, and all the lessons that you really have to have in order to be an OG in this Bitcoin sphere. So be calm and go out there and try to play some games like this real game with cards. You can have fun. Oh, but be careful. Do not get caught like this. And keep on learning, of course, like these two cats. They are learning. And what do they learn? Well, you know it. They are learning AI with our channel, Rodrigo, Arnedo, Inteligencia Artificial. And they are learning about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies here on Rodrigo, Arnedo, Noticias, Bitcoin, CryptoNews, FunOntheRide, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!